Barack, my friend, people keep talking about these two words, authentication and authorization. Sounds like government, red tape. Terrible words. Complicated. I like simple things. Tell me, what's the difference?
Well, Bao, first of all, good to see you. Second, it's actually not that complicated. Authentication is about who you are. Authorization is about what you're allowed to do.
So authentication is like proving I'm Trump, which everybody knows, of course. Everybody says I'm the most authentic guy, very authentic.
Right. So authentication is like showing your ID at the door of a fancy golf club. They check your face, your name, maybe even your tan. They confirm, yep, that's Donald Trump.
Of course, they always let me in. Great golf clubs, the best.
But authorization is what happens after you walk in. It's whether they let you drive the golf cart or whether you can take over the buffet.
So you're saying I could be authenticated but not authorized to touch the buffet? That's fake news. I built the buffet.
That's exactly it. In the tech world, authentication just checks. If you're really the user, like logging in with your password or fingerprint, authorization decides what actions you can take once you're inside, like viewing your emails, changing settings, or launching
nukes, very powerful example. I like that one. So let me guess, when I log into Twitter, sorry, X, terrible rebrand. By the way, I'm authenticated, and when I can tweet anything I want, that's authorization.
Technically, yes. But if the app says, sorry, you can't tweet anymore, that means you're authenticated but not authorized.
And they took away my authorization. Total witch hunt.
See, now you understand the difference. Authentication proves it's you. Authorization decides what you can do.
So in simple words, authentication says you're Trump. Authorization says stay away from the nuclear code.
Exactly. Authentication asks, who are you? Authorization asks, what are you allowed to do?
Barack, you to be great at explaining this to my tech team. Maybe I'll hire you. Well, call it Trump Security Solutions.
I think I'll pass, Stottle. But I'm glad you finally understand the basics of digital security.
I always understood it. Just wanted to test you. Great job, by the way. People are saying you explained it tremendously.